Today's recipe is a spaghetti frittata. This is my wife's favourite recipe. I don't know about you, but in our house, we always cook too much pasta. I don't know what it is. I've been cooking for 20 odd years now, and I still make too much pasta at home. So this recipe is perfect for using up those leftovers. First thing you need to do, get a non-stick frying pan. I'm using MasterClass cast aluminium pan, straight onto the heat. Let it get warm with a little bit of olive oil. Then chop up your garlic nice and fine and a red chilli. I've removed the seeds and then chopped it really fine. Put both of those into the pan, just get them cooking a little bit. While that's cooking, crack 2 eggs into a bowl and then just whisk it up with a fork a little bit. A little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt is always nice. Add some chopped chives to the eggs and then whisk it up. Pour that straight into the frying pan and roll the pan around and let it just flood the pan. Take your cooked drained spaghetti out of the fridge and then lay it on top of the egg mixture, okay? And then kind of spread it out so it's all nice and even. Then I like to sprinkle it with my grated Parmesan. If you haven't got Parmesan, just use any cheese that you like. A bit of grated mozzarella, cheddar, whatever you've got in the fridge. Then just cook it on a medium heat for 3-4 minutes, or you can whack it under a preheated grill for 2 minutes and it cooks even quicker. Once the frittata's cooked, because I'm using my cast aluminium pan from MasterClass, it's super non-stick, it moves around, it is absolutely brilliant for this job. So flip the frittata straight over onto a chopping board and then just cut it into wedges and tuck in. If you want the recipe, go to kitchencraft.co.uk and you will find it there along with loads of other recipes to get you in your kitchen.